Hello, my name is Miss Betsi, and today I'll be showing you how to make fake snow. It's quite simple. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, water. You don't need the vinegar if you have water. If you want to use vinegar, don't use the water. And paper towels. Quite simple. You can find them anywhere. Dollar Tree, I suggest, because it's quite cheap and simple. You don't need. If you want to make a ton, I suggest Dollar Tree to go with lots of baking soda so you can make a snowball fight, in the summer. Why not?
Okay, so as you can see here, I have fake snow. This is the recipe, which has paper towels, baking soda, and vinegar. It's very compact. It mixes well together, and you just throw it in. It's very cooling, so you don't really expect that. And this one's a little touch different. It looks more powdery. In reference, looks more powdery because it's just baking soda and water. It does clump together, make it, but you can't really throw it as easily. So I would do this if you just want to play with it, and this one to throw at people to make a snowball fight in the summer. Just depends. So I'll show you how it's done. It's basically paper towels. You can make them thinner, make them smaller, whatever you'd like, just whatever you have. It doesn't really matter, as long as you have it. So this is basically a recipe that you decide on. You throw in there how much you want to make. Doesn't matter how much you make, it's just as long as you have enough baking soda. That's the key, baking soda. You need enough baking soda to keep making the thing. Here I put 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And what happens next is I put a tiny bit of vinegar in this little thing, and you'll see the little reaction it has. See that? Fizzles. So it's kind of cool. So that little reaction right there is what makes it hold on together. So you can do this one. It's really cool. Just mix it all together. Make sure not to add a whole lot of vinegar at first, or else it will turn out very badly. You'll need more baking soda to offset the vinegar. So just add a smidge at a time. See? I also have a liquidy powder. See here? Here it's meshed together. You can hear it squishing. Very squishable. Feels kind of like snow a little bit because in reality it is cold. You wouldn't think it'd be cold, but it's cold. But you can't eat it. Do not eat it. It won't taste good. Trust me. No, not really. Do not eat it, okay? It's just bad. You wouldn't like it. Vinegar is not that tasty. So here, this is it's very interesting, this one, because it's like, the paper towel with the baking soda and the vinegar, so it's touch nice. So I'll just move on to the next one. For this one, I have also 2 tablespoons of baking soda, mostly because I don't want to use it a lot. So this one, same thing, but it's just baking soda. Nothing else but water also. So this one you add a smidge of it. And you just keep adding. It doesn't fizzle like the vinegar because it's just water. So it'll kind of make a paste out of it. It's not the greatest, but it'll do if you want to do some sensory play. It's kind of interesting. So it's like this one. If you don't really like the smell of vinegar, I'd suggest putting in this one paper towels and water, baking soda, and doing the same thing like for this one. But it won't end up like becoming more compact together. So that's something to be aware of that. This one, it's like a little paste. If you put so much water, it becomes like a paste. So it's not really like this is what I have here. This is after a couple hours of like me having it out. No, it's like I put in the, so it looks all a little cloudy, like little snow particulates. And just so you know, there is actual instant snow out in the world, like product that you don't need the baking soda, you don't need the vinegar. I think you just need to buy the package and you add water or something. I don't know. So it's something to look out for if you don't want to do this. There's a package out there. So here, it's really quite simple. It's like, just so you can make it into a ball. And here, let me put it in with this one. It's like you can make it into a ball. It's just how it's setting together is not the greatest thing in the world. And then this one, the vinegar one, it's like you can make more. It's not too dangerous. So there you have it.